The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes. Yeah, big up to Uncle Mark, big up Sandra, and big up a person who goes by the name of Wild Child. You see? Yeah. So I have some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, and the first things that I'm going to talk to you about is about two pieces of videos that someone sent to me through WhatsApp. Now, those two pieces of videos have been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't know when those videos have been recorded. And those two pieces of videos shows some things that happened when two men with machetes was fighting with each other. Yes, my overall understanding is that those two pieces of videos shows when two men attacked each other with machetes in their hands, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, I mean one man have a machete in his hand and the other man have a machete in his hand. Allegedly, it is said that one of those men had another weapon. I can't confirm if that is true. So may I say, but viewers and subscribers, both of those videos gave me the understanding that those two men hit each other with those machetes. See? One man approach a man with a machete in his hand, whap, he hit the man. And he hit the man again. Then the other man with his machete hit the man who hit him with his machete. You see me I say? And then the situation get very hostile and tussle, and then there's, you know, something happened where at least one of those machetes fell. I am not sure if both machetes fell at the same time or what, you see me? But one of those videos shows when both men were on the ground and they were somewhat wrestling with each other. See? And one of those videos shows when a certain amount of persons intervened, doing whatsoever they could in order to stop those men from fighting with each other. You understand? The situation was horrible in my point of view. Very horrible. You understand me, people? Now, unconfirmed information that I got is that those two men had some form of dispute. And it's like both men are trying to prove on each other. See? It is said that those men was trying to prove who was more dominant than the other. In Jamaican terms, those men was somewhat trying to prove who better than who, or who are the real bad man then. See me I say? Wap, 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 wap. Skilly Bang song me I talk about. Now, for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I am going to present to you piece of one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
Slap it. Put the mama now. Put the mama now. Put the mama now. I'm gonna kill your blood clot. Put the mama now. A blood clot. No more further. No further.
Now, I did not get any confirmed information if any of those men had been injured or died as a result of the fight. Yes, so may I say, viewers and subscribers? Yeah, but I assume that at least one of those two men had been injured based on some things that I saw and heard in those two pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers. Because, and I really, let me tell you the truth, those two pieces of videos, in my point of view, they are disturbing. You see what I say? I'm gonna see why those two persons had to fight with each other. You understand? Anyways, may I go move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. All right? Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen a video circulating on social media with a caption suggesting that a member of the Jamaica football team had been held with an illegal firearm and arrested by the police in the country of Jamaica. Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica are denying that the Jamaican football player who goes by the name of Javon Watson was held with an illegal firearm and arrested by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. The news article said that a video is being circulated on social media showing a man resembling Javon Watson being taken into police custody in Maypen, Clarendon. The news article said that the video has a caption suggesting that the football player was found with an illegal firearm. See it? Now, I saw the video on social media and viewers and subscribers. At least one place me see it at. You see me? I think I've seen it somewhere else, but me not go jump to no conclusion or go say anything wrong. You understand? However, see, I saw that video somewhere on social media. You know, me not really name out that place, right? And the video has a caption that says, "Reggae boy Javon caught with gun." See it? And just to make it be very clear, here's the video right here that I'm talking about, that I saw on social media. See? I also read comments that have been made on the same post on social media, viewers and subscribers. You see? Now, in my words, I got the understanding that some persons are saying that Javon Watson was not held with no gun. And at least one person is saying that the police are denying that Javon Watson had been held with any gun and are being arrested by the police in the country of Jamaica. Now, for you to get a better understanding, let me read at least two of those comments. See? So, one of the comments on the same post from someone said, "Lie, he wasn't held with any gun." Well, I saw the person text it. You see? Another comment on the same post said, "The police are denying that reggae boy Javon Watson was held with an illegal firearm and arrested." A video is being circulated on social media. I'm not see nothing more upon it. See? Viewers and subscribers, let me tell you something. You see? And everything you see and hear on social media, you must believe. You have some persons who will put wrong information out there. I'm not sure if they do it by spite or by accident. You see me? I'm not sure if they do it by spite or accident. No, I don't know. But these things do happen. See? But Dancehall skilla there. I give you correct information to the best of my ability. With that, I'm going to move on to our video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle had been stopped by law enforcers within the country that is known as Jamaica. See? Yes, the video will be recorded somewhere in the country of Jamaica. I don't know when the video will be recorded. So, to my knowledge, there was a certain amount of passengers on the bus that had been stopped by law enforcers, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? And the video shows a man who had been placed in handcuffs by the police within the country of Jamaica. See? Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to why the man had been placed in handcuffs. I didn't get any confirmed information if the man had been arrested or detained by the police in the country of Jamaica. See? Yeah, because I look at the video carefully, but whosoever was video recording didn't really and truly hold the video good, at least at a point that would give me a good understanding about the whole situation. See? And a certain amount of the video do not have any audio. I don't know if the person did have his hand or his finger over the microphone of the device, or maybe someone removed part of the audio of the video. You see me I say? But I'm going to present the video to you and you can tell me what you think. You can tell me why you think the man had been put in handcuffs by the police in the country of Jamaica. You can tell me if you think the man had been arrested or detained. You can tell me what you think overall about the video as well. You see me I say? Maybe you will see something in this video that I did not see. You see? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe. Alright, my people, so the sound in that video kind of set away, see? Yeah, the sound kind of set away, but watch this now, my people, see? Notice one little string the right at the person's waist. Look how the police, you see it? Right, now the police draw that now. Me I try to understand what that. See, the person move the camera. See it? See that? Right there, so now. So after that, handcuffs had been placed on the person. I try to understand where you from.
Don't breach, you don't supposed to have a problem.
Well, my people, the police them must have a reason why them put that man in handcuffs, because legally and by right, if the police now have the right to arrest the person, then it should not happen. Now I say it cannot happen, it should not happen. Yes, I say. Yeah, man. Anyways, tell me what you think, my people. Yes, I left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see?